In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and select from the chart of accounts in your accounting software. Whether you're a small business owner trying to keep track of your financial data or a bookkeeper ensuring everything is in tip-top shape, understanding how to efficiently use the chart of accounts is invaluable. First off, let's make sure we're all on the same page about what the chart of accounts actually is. Think of it as the backbone of your accounting system. It's a complete list of all your financial accounts in the general ledger of your organization. Each account is a unique record for a type of asset, liability, equity, revenue, or expense. So having this foundation allows you to categorize all financial transactions. To get started, we'll dive into the accounting software and head over to the accounting section. Once there, you should notice a tab or link labeled Chart of Accounts. Click on that. This page is like a dashboard, displaying all the accounts that your business currently uses or has used in the past. You can consider it a summary that helps track what you have, what you owe, your revenue, and your expenses. The next step is familiarizing yourself with what's in front of you. You'll see a list of accounts, often organized into categories and subcategories. At the top, there is usually a menu or toolbar. This is vital because it gives you the ability to search for specific accounts or filter them based on certain criteria. For instance, if you only want to see expense accounts, you can use the drop-down menu or input field to sort the list accordingly. Now, let's say you need to select a specific account. Scanning through the list might seem daunting, especially if it's extensive, but most software makes it a breeze. Use the search bar at the top of the screen, typing in keywords or account numbers. It's the quickest way to narrow down your options. This is particularly helpful if you have multiple accounts of similar nature and need to quickly pinpoint the right one. Once you find the account you're interested in, simply click on it to select and view its details. Most systems will provide a summary of all the transactions associated with this account, giving you insights into your financial activity. Depending on the software, you might also have additional options to edit, update, or even archive the account if it's no longer in use. A helpful tip is to regularly review and manage your chart of accounts. Keep it tidy by archiving old accounts that are no longer relevant, and update any names or numbers to reflect your current business needs. This approach not only helps in keeping things organized, but also ensures better accuracy in your financial reporting. And there you have it. Navigating and selecting from the chart of accounts is straightforward once you get the hang of it. By keeping a well-maintained chart, you not only streamline